Welcome everybody, how you guys doing? Welcome to the live show. Starting the broadcast right now. How's life? Glad to have all of you guys here. How's your day going? I hope your day is going great. They're gonna be talking about Tesla. Yesterday we did speak on, NVIDIA, and there was a bunch of news coming out of NVIDIA circles. The main piece of news being that NVIDIA is now the most valuable company in the whole world. So that was welcome. That was good. That's good news for NVIDIA. I will check later on to see as of yesterday, because this is news that is coming out on Tuesday. I haven't really followed what happened on Wednesday, but my belief and trust is that NVIDIA is still at number one. Okay, and it's likely to be that way for the foreseeable future. So I'm sure could be a hard pill to swallow for Microsoft and Apple, but it is what it is. It cannot be changed. All you can do is to work on yourself and try to push to be the best. So right now we're gonna talk today. We're gonna talk about Tesla. There's also a bunch of news coming out of Tesla. In particular, their sort of like their armored car. Here, a lot of people have been driving that car. Have been saying that it's been falling apart, and Tesla has had to recall some of its cars. That latest armored truck, armored looking looking kind of truck. So there's a bunch of news. There's also news that Elon Musk is gonna get like he gets paid 56 billion. I just heard, but we're not going to be talking about that. We're going to be talking about something else that is different. There you go. We all know Optimus, they're into robotics. Not only cars, they're into robotics, AI. They do a lot of stuff there at Tesla. So we're beginning to question, will Tesla's stock, after the introduction of Optimus Gen 2, will it get to like 2,600? Is their stock price going to be 2,600? What do you think? These days, with new technologies coming out, especially in AI, anything that is in the AI industry or that is AI driven, definitely is going to fetch a high stock price. Investors, okay, we're in the AI era, we're in the AI age. We're gonna see a bunch of ridiculous prices, particularly for AI. It is what it is. So let's just see what they're talking about. So please stay in the live broadcast, and let's move on with the live broadcast. I don't have a lot of slides. Sometimes I have so many slides. Today I don't have a lot of slides. I just have 21 slides, and I'll try to keep it a buck. Okay, I don't want to go all in. So this is our flow chart. We're going to discuss about the shareholders meetings, what happened, what transpired in that meeting. Then we're going to discuss about the humanoid robot. What's this concept about? What it is? Robotaxi. That's another one that's coming from Tesla. It's had quite a bit of a few pushbacks online analytics from both sides, negative and positive. technical analysis as well. So you know how our game goes. This is usually how we go. This is the structure of our presentation. And then, so let's hear about this shareholders meeting. It's actually quite recent, and it happened this year in Texas. Okay, they call it what, the Cyber Roundup annual shareholder meeting. So the Tesla shareholders meeting, 56 billion compensation plan was officially approved, and Musk made very bold predictions about the future of technology and Tesla's market value at the meeting. He believes that Tesla's humanoid robots and robotaxi will make tremendous progress, driving Tesla's market value to 10 times that of Apple, exceeding 30 trillion. Okay, Elon Musk is a man who is confident in himself, saying that Tesla is going to be the number one uh, company in terms of valuation in the whole entire world. It's going to be three times Apple. It's going to be 10 times the value of Apple, the value of Nvidia, the value of Microsoft, because these three are in their valuation market cap is in the 3 trillion range. So he's saying he believes that humanoid, these robots that he's working on, obviously they're gonna be using artificial intelligence. They're gonna be super intelligent, and also the robotaxi, it's also a car. It's gonna be. So he's saying that once he launches these two, they will make tremendous progress, and they are the ones that will drive Tesla's valuation to around 30 trillion. So Elon Musk he's a bold guy. I like his swagger. I like his approach, his confidence. Of course, he has to hype up his product. Which company doesn't do that? Which company CEO or which doesn't do that? So that is what they did. That the 60 billion compensation plan. Um, you could go look it up. More details that it offers for you guys, and to just know what it's all about. Okay. So yeah, so it's actually June 13. It's actually opening new tab shareholders. So it's the shareholders that approved. Okay, that's the CEO Elon Musk, a 56 billion pay package the electric vehicle made. So it's kind of like money coming to him. It's a pay package, sort of like money. Um, so it's caused quite a bit of stares and a lot of news, but it is what it is. It's his pay package. Okay. I don't know what he was getting at previously before, but test so shareholders they voted that he's going to get a mammoth 2018 pay plan 5 months after a judge in Delaware ordered the company to rescind the package, finding it had been improperly granted by the board. Okay, so that's his pay package. What the money that he gets out of this. So it was approved by the board of directors. They're like, okay, Elon, you deserve this 56 billion dollars. Can you give me a million? So that it is what it is. Okay, it is what it is. So let's continue. Let me try to adjust my okay, guys, please scan the code. You want to join us? You can find us on WhatsApp. Scan the code. So let's go and let's find out. Okay, so what were some of the issues discussed in this shareholders meeting. So this is just an overview, carrying some key points of what the meeting was about. So Tesla shareholders have approved CEO Musk's 15 billion compensation plan. You did hear that there was the courts of law involved. A judge had resigned it or rescinded it. I don't know how to say that word. Okay. And also they re-elect two board members, Musk's brother, Kimball Musk, and media tycoon Rupert Murdoch's son, James Murdoch. So that's the other big news coming out of this. Two board members were re-elected. His very own brother, Kimball Musk, and also Rupert Murdoch. He's big in the media. He's a media tycoon. His son is James Murdoch. So James Murdoch and Kimball Musk are going to be re-elected as board members of Tesla. The weekly delivery volume of Cybertruck has reached a record high of 1,300 vehicles, and different versions of Cybertruck need to be produced for China and the European Union. Okay, so places like China, places like the European Union will start to see the Cybertruck. Of course, the version, the models that will be produced there are going to be a lot more different with the ones that are being produced in the American market. I mean, this is true for almost every product, okay? You have to customize and specialize the product to certain markets. Okay? So Tesla is accelerating the production of the electric semi in North America and America. You saying semi-finals, semiconductor. So yeah, Tesla is electric semi-trailer truck, semi. There are still three. There are still three new products to be released in the future. One may be the low-priced Tesla launched in 2025. So there's a car that's coming. It's going to be low-priced. They yet to disclose the price. The other may be the robo-taxi. Okay, robo-taxi, and the other may be commercial vehicles or small trucks. So these are sort of like the vehicles that they are currently producing right now that they're going to roll out in 2025. Also, the other thing that was discussed is that Musk said that Tesla must make it affordable for ordinary people. Okay, so Tesla is trying to be the people's company. Okay, they're now trying to understand that Tesla products shouldn't always be made for the rich. Okay, they should also be a niche. Okay, the other niche that they should probably zoom in on or focus on is ordinary people like me. Okay, so kudos to that to Elon Musk. He is a very thoughtful business person. He's trying to make it affordable for. I'm not saying that I'm poor, but trying to make it affordable for other people, okay? So that it doesn't appear like, okay, these products are only for a certain caliber of people. That is good. Tesla, I do not know how they're gonna follow up with this plan, but it's a good plan from just hearing it. Tesla's Optimus Prime robot will bring huge profits to the company and starting excuse me guys, Tesla's Optimus robot will bring huge profits to the company, and starting next year Tesla will have over 1,000 or thousands of Optimus robots working at Tesla. So this is good news. I haven't really looked at Tesla's their factory to see the robotics that are there. So this is actually good news that is coming out of Tesla. So it is good. Tesla will have over 1,000 or 1,000 Optimus robots. They've been teasing these Optimus robots for a while now. Okay, so let's go again. In terms of AI, Musk stated that in the real world, Tesla's AI is ahead of Meta, Google, and Open AI. This is actually a very, very broad, bold declaration. So, like what I said, I like this is from Elon Musk, guys. I'm just giving you Tesla's shareholder meeting, the things they were talking about. So, Musk said that in the real world, Tesla's AI is ahead of Meta, Google, and OpenAI. I really don't understand what he's trying to say in terms of in the real world. But as you know, OpenAI are the parent company of ChatGPT, okay? And I believe at one point Elon Musk was a part of that whole process, that whole process of trying to engineer AI, artificial intelligence. At one point, he must have been involved in some way, shape, or form. He had a relationship with the CEO of OpenAI, and then something happened along the way, and then Musk backed out of it. Um, so he's saying that, oh, is Tesla's AI in the real world stated? This is a statement. Meta, Google, and AI, OpenAI. So you love to hear this from these tech CEOs. You love to hear them flexing, kind of bragging, talking about my AI is better than theirs. Because everybody's gonna come and start to saying that. Okay, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Musk hopes that Tesla can, like Airbnb or Uber, allow car owners to add their cars to the autonomous driving fleet through an application when not in use, helping them earn money through autonomous driving. Okay, so these are actually like good points. I think for me, the one that sticks out is that one where he's declaring that my AI is better than any other AI that's available in the market there, and so it makes sense for him. Um, Guys, sometimes we're not going to give you everything here. Sometimes go and read these stories. That's why, when you are a business student or you are an investment student, there are all these stories. Some of this stuff, you want to get your interest triggered. Go and try to learn these stories and try to read these stories for yourself and see some of the things that are coming out of there, because this is really hilarious. I don't want to lie to you. So let's move on now. Let's see what's on the next side. So you got a lot of stuff, a lot of improvements coming. Cars are coming, and also new innovations are coming. There's so much that is coming. Okay, there's a lot that is actually coming. So let's be very, very hopeful, and let's try to cheer Tesla on. So let's go, guys. Uh, okay, so let's go. Humanoid robot, Optimus humanoid robot. So betting on humanoid robots, I must believe that Tesla's market value. Okay, let me. So let's go. Betting on humanoid robots, Musk believes that Tesla's market value may be 10 times that of world's most valuable enterprise today. Footsteps of humanoid robots in landing application are getting closer and closer. Okay, on June 13th local time, Tesla CEO Musk announced at the annual shareholder meeting that Tesla will begin a limited production of Optimus humanoid robots in 2025 and test humanoid robots in its own factory next year. Musk predict that Tesla will have over 1,000 or even thousands of Optimus robots in operation next year. That is what he's saying. Um, I hope my face is big enough. Sometimes it may be small. So let's go. So let me come here. So betting on humanoid robots. So this is they're gonna unveil this one. They're gonna be producing a lot of Optimus Primes. It's a bit hot in here. Must believe that Tesla's market value may be 10 times that of world's most valuable enterprise today. The footsteps of humanoid robots in landing applications are getting closer and closer. On June 13th, local time, Tesla CEO Musk announced at the annual shareholder meeting that Tesla will begin limited production of Optimus or Optimus Prime humanoid robots in 2025 and test humanoid robots in its own factory next year. Musk predicts that Tesla will now have over 1,000 or even thousands of Optimus robots in operation next year. Okay, so they're gonna unveil this Optimus Prime humanoid robot. You can go and Google and find out more about it. And Musk predicts that Tesla will have over 1,000. It's a prediction, or even thousands of Optimus robots in operation next year. It is reported that there are currently two Optimus robots working at Tesla's Fremont factory in California. So apparently, no one has seen these Optimus robots. Okay, no one has seen these Optimus robots. They haven't seen them. Okay, Tesla's Optimus humanoid robots are still in their early stages, but there will be a lot of robots in the future. With more robots than humans, robots have stronger computing power and higher production efficiency than humans. Currently, Optimus does not have very strong intelligence, but it has enough intelligence to complete boring, repetitive, dangerous, and tasks that humans do not want to do. So that is good, but it has enough intelligence to complete boring, repetitive, dangerous, and tasks that humans do not want to do. So Musk said that at last year's World Artificial Intelligence Conference, at this shareholder meeting, Musk mentioned a similar viewpoint, stating that humanoid robots will become the mainstay of industry, with a number expected to surpass humans and reach 10 to 20 billion units. So we're gonna be replaced by humanoid robots. So Musk stated at the shareholder meeting that Tesla aims to produce 1 billion humanoid robots annually, accounting for over 10,000 of the market share. Optimus costs around Optimus will cost around 10,000. I think I should get me an Optimus humanoid robot. Mhm. Stated at the shareholder meeting that Tesla aims to produce 1 billion humanoid robots annually, accounting for over 10% of the market share. Optimus costs around 10,000, and if sold at 20,000 per unit, Tesla will earn substantial profits. The layout of humanoid robots may at some point in the future increase Tesla's market value to 25 million, which could be 10 times that of the world's most valuable enterprise today. So we might have these humanoid robots. They are still under some some testing. They haven't fully matured. Uh, like you just say, does not have very strong intelligence, but there is a level of intelligence that it has, like doing tasks that humans do not like doing, dangerous tasks, and also repetitive stuff. So you can get one for 10,000, and even if uh, they are saying that if they sell a humanoid robot for 20,000, then their market value is going to go to 25 trillion, which is insane when you think about it. And because the market value of the highest company right now is Nvidia, their market value is at 3.35 trillion. As of Tuesday, they became the number one valued company uh, in the whole world. So Musk is saying that his this humanoid project has the ability to reach up to 25 trillion once it gets unrolled. And I'm here working on YouTube. Huh? What happened to me? Okay, guys, just wait a second. Uh, I don't know what's going on. My camera, I can no longer see it. Okay, there you go. Give me a second. I think I've disappeared. I don't know where I went to. I'm trying to. There. There's something that had happened here on because I was freaking afraid, you know. So anyway, we're back. So let's go. Uh, let's go. So that is what the humanoid looks like. Optimus Gen 2. You can see that's a prototype. It's pretty tall. This is what is going to be happening, guys. We're now entered the world of robots. We're used to seeing robots in movies and the likes. We're gonna have actual robots now, okay? So let's go, guys. Humanoid robots will bring trillions of dollars in profits. Uh, yeah, definitely if you're selling it at 10,000 or 20,000, I do not know how much they cost to produce, but they seem to be a viable project for Tesla, okay? So let's see. Humanoid robots will bring trillions of dollars in profits. Okay, give me a second. Okay, so okay, when it comes to humanoid robots, Musk is also very excited. He believes that in the future, humanoid robots will become a popular consumer product for everyone. These robots can complete tasks such as caring for babies, oh my God, educating children, accompanying children, playing the piano, and factory production. Tesla will earn trillions of dollars in profits through humanoid robots. Okay? Who doesn't want to see C3PO Star Wars characters? Yeah. That would be great. I think everyone will want one. Definitely, this will make life easier for a lot of people. So we're yet to see it because they're teasing it. Uh, so And they say that at one point they're going to outnumber the entire human population. That would be great. So I think the ratio between human robots and humans maybe at least 2 to 1, about the same. There must be a 1 to 1. Yeah, yeah. So maybe a 1 to 1 ratio. Okay, we don't have to have so many of these robots, right? So this means that the number of humanoid robots will reach around 10 billion in the future, and it may also be 20 billion or 30 billion. Okay. So he believes that at a price of $10,000 each, this will bring trillions of dollars in profits to Tesla. Okay. So let's go. Let's see what else. Let's see what else. Okay, let me just minimize my. Okay, let me move it up here. I want to really see this graphic, even if I keep it down here. It's not like I'm covering something, some written stuff or stuff like that. So let's go. I'll look on Tesla's market value. So when looking at Tesla's market value, Musk drew a big pie. Okay, the humanoid robot Optimus Prime alone can bring about a market value of 20 trillion. We already talked about that dollars, while the market value of autonomous vehicles may reach 5 to 10 trillion. So it is possible for Tesla to achieve a valuation 10 times that of today's most valuable companies. Currently, the most valuable listed company in the world is Apple, with a market value of approximately 3.3 trillion US dollars. If Tesla's market value reaches 10 times this number, its market value will exceed 30 trillion. Its market value will exceed. Let's go. Tens of millions of Tesla cars will turn into robo taxi. Okay, so they have this idea where the cars they turn the car into robo taxi. Okay, let me just type something in Google. I want to see what it really looks like. So let's go. Tens of millions of Tesla cars will turn into robo taxi. Okay, this is the other thing that they're working on, a concept. You can turn your car into a taxi. So in his speech, Musk stated that in the future, with the development of autonomous driving technology, Tesla's owners only need to press a button and their cars can serve others as taxis like Uber. Okay, making money for the owners. So you just press a, oh my God, so this is really good, okay? So let's start again. In his speech, Musk stated that in the future, with the development of autonomous driving technology, Tesla owners only need to press a button and their cars can serve both as taxis like Uber, making money for the owners. He predicts that tens of millions of Tesla cars will be used as robo taxi. Once this is achieved, Tesla cars will no longer be for be a consumer product, but will instead become a financial commodity with investment attributes. This will greatly change Tesla's business landscape. I think it will definitely be a surprise in the future. Obviously, we have made significant progress in addressing sustainable energy issues, including electric vehicles, energy storage, solar energy. I believe that in terms of the value of the company, autonomous driving is a very important thing. So this is what they're going to be launching. Tesla Robotaxi is going to be phenomenal. You just press a button and everything else happens. Okay. So innovations are Elon Musk inventions are actually good. You know, they are he is a very ambitious man. Okay. Now let's see our technical analysis. Tesla, I think their stock price, they haven't been performing too well because of the said Cybertruck. Um, the Cybertruck, you heard the Cybertruck has been getting recalled and the likes. So this is Tesla. This is from Yahoo Finance. There you go. And you can see right now they've been been doing good, you know. So in the long run, pay attention to the prices of the two red a long-term MA pressure levels, which are separately $316 and $242.78. Okay, so we've got two prices here, right? Yeah, yes. Okay, so we've got those two reds you can see at the end there. The one at the very top and the one at the middle. There's one at the very top. It goes to 316.7. And also there's the one below it. We're talking about the straight lines, which is 242.78. Okay. So investors can focus on the purple MA. Okay. Also that one. This can be your entry to your investment. That one, pressure level of 194.42 in midterm. So there we go. If the price can break through, it will further increase. Okay, the price breaks through, it will further increase. So let's go. So let's go right there. Technical analysis. Do you guys like technical analysis, or it's a headache for most people? I think for most people nowadays, technical analysis is just you'd rather have somebody do it for you. So that's why we always have that what's up down there to make you guys join, and maybe we can do a really like video call or something like that on WhatsApp. Because on this platform, I definitely not a lot of people coming here. That definitely we end up just reading the stuff. Okay. So there you go. At present, so this is all data from or data from Yahoo Finance. Okay. So let me just talk about the buying points. Okay, 5 periods. Like we did say, like in the previous days, Tesla has usually like their price has been affected by the um, this truck. You know, this truck that they unveiled, the Cybertruck. It's been getting a lot of bad reviews. They had to recall the Cybertruck. So that in a way has affected their share price as of recent. This is based on what I've read. Okay. So At present, in the short term, the 4K lines are above the small platform formed by the 5 days moving averages. Okay, so you can see moving averages are usually those lines. Mhm. The different colored lines are the moving averages. So formed by the 5 days moving average, okay, and the prices are also above the purple midterm moving average. Okay, they're doing well. The prices are just above the purple, this one, the purple platform, and the purple moving average. Okay, so there is currently a long-term moving average suppression above them, with prices around $200. After breaking through, the price can further rise. Okay, the price can further rise. Buying points. Investors can wait for the price to fall back to the 5 day moving average, the purple moving average, and then buying or adding positions above the platform. If it falls below the platform, does not consider buying for now. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is CNBC. This is a snippet from CNBC. They got lots of good stuff on CNBC. Um, so let's see now. Tech analysis. That's why I always say join us, so that you know what tech analysis is all about. So there you go. Target for Tesla 2027. Of course, this is going to be prompted by things like the the cars that they're going to manufacture, also going to be prompted by things like these robots they're going to manufacture. So it will see their price going to up to 2000, but as of now, not quite. Okay, so this is just a prediction for today going forward, maybe 2025, maybe 2026, 2027, those years, and a part of 2025 as well. So stock prices forecast. So let's see ARK's value, ARK's expected value for Tesla in 2029 will become $2,600 per share. We're talking about per share. Okay, this is a forecast for 2029. Today we're in 2024, so this is a 5 year forecast. Industry leaders just trying to look at the trend. Thank you, Ravinda. Thank you so much. How are you doing? I see you came into the live broadcast. Thank you so much. You're from watching from India, right? Okay, don't forget to follow Talwa Ravinda. Do not forget to follow. Okay, thank you for coming into the live broadcast. Okay, thanks so much for that. So this is like a 5 year prediction from now. You can see right now the price from the previous slide. You can see that the price is still, in the 200, 100 to 200-ish there, but a stock price going to as far as 2,600. Of course, guys, this can be expected. Okay, this can be expected. So on June 12th, well-known investment firm ARK Investment released the latest Tesla US stock price forecast report based on a detailed analysis of Tesla's electric vehicle, autonomous driving, robo-taxi, and other businesses. So remember, they will still produce vehicles, okay? They will produce a low-cost vehicle next year in 2025. They'll also unveil the robo-taxi. We did speak about this. They'll also unveil, they will also roll out their robots, okay? The Optimus. So the institution has set an expected target price of 2,600 for Tesla's stock price in 2029. So in 2029, their stock price might be as valued or as high up as 2,600. This is a forecast from an investment firm, a qualified one. They're just giving you how it is like for Tesla's future. And then also, this will inevitably catapult them to that 20-30 trillion market valuation. But I personally think that companies such as Nvidia will still be their stock price might as well skyrocket to there because of AI. It's for me obviously the companies to look forward to kind of look at will be Nvidia and Tesla, especially these robots that they're talking about. ARK Investment is an investment company founded by Kathy Wood. That is Kathy Wood, known for its expertise in discovering disruptive technology companies and accurately betting on excess returns. The company has repeatedly supported Tesla and is one of its largest institutional investors. This time, ARK once again demonstrated its confidence in Tesla's long-term growth. So this is just a synopsis of long-term growth for Tesla, where they're going to, where they're coming from. So let's go. So I actually have friends from India who are just watching right now. So obviously, let's see stock price forecast, still technical analysis. This is ARK's updated open source. Tesla yields an expected value of 2,600 per share in 2029. The bull and bear cases tuned to the 75th and 25th percentile Monte Carlo. So you can see there at the Monte Carlo range, the other image that's down there, the bear market will be 2,000, valued at 2,000. Bull market is valued at 3,100, somewhere there, okay? Mhm. So percentile Monte Carlo outcomes respectively are approximately 3,100 per share and 2,000 per share as shown in the graphic that we have down there. This research update presents ARK's open source Tesla model, which incorporates distributions to 45 independent inputs to simulate or change of potential outcomes for the company and its stock. Company and its what? And its stock. So this is the picture that we have for Tesla. So let's see ARK's simulation outputs. Expected value, this is for 2019 per share, is going to be 2,600. Okay, what is the significance of that? This projection is our expected value for Tesla stock price in 2029 based on Monte Carlo analysis. You can go check it out. And then the bear, okay, the bear, you know, bear and bull markets, right? Bull is up, bear is going down. A bear is a minimum of 2,000 per share. In this analysis, the probability that Tesla's stock could be worth 2,000 per share is less than 20 in 2029 is less than 25%. Okay, it's still a prediction. And then the bull market, in this analysis, the probability that Tesla could be worth 3,100 per share or more in 2029 is less is 25%. Okay, it's 25%. So, but the estimate is that the price will definitely be at 2,600. So bull is the highest, right? And bear is the lowest. but the actual prediction for 2029 will be around 2,600 with a 25% chance of the price getting at 2,000, becoming becoming a bear market, and also another 25% chance of the stock price getting to 3,100, which is a bull market. Okay, so it means that the stock will be valued very highly. Okay, summary. There you go. So Tesla's Optimus robot. There you go. Tesla's Optimus robot will bring huge profits to the company starting next year. So they did say they will start unveiling the robot next year. Tesla will have over 1,000 or two or 1,000 or thousands of Optimus robots working at Tesla. Okay, betting on humanoid robots, Musk believes that Tesla's market value may be 10 times that of world's most valuable enterprise today. Tens of millions of Tesla cars will turn into robotaxi and ARK. So this is what we've been just talking throughout the presentation. ARK's expected value for Tesla in 2029 will be $2,600 per share. So in a nutshell, this is the summary of our presentation. A big future ahead of Tesla. They have a lot of projects obviously lined up beginning next year. And they are hopeful that the valuation of their company, spearheaded by the Optimus, the robot, it will get their value to that 30 trillion, and also by 2029 their stock price will be around 2,600 dollars. Okay, and also they've got their one of their investors who is backing all of this up, which is Miss Wood. You can also go check that out, ARK from ARK Invest. So there is a lot of predictions here. I cannot really push back. Guys, on this channel, really, we're just coming and talking about these things so that if you are into you like investment, you enjoy investment, you can be looking into some of these companies. You can also try to add us and we can become partners and make investments happen together. So this is what just Tesla is planning to do, or they expect to happen in their company. So please send us messages and text us. It was a great show. I think for me, the most part that I loved throughout the whole presentation is the summary from the meeting. You want this presentation? Please text us on WhatsApp. The shareholders meeting there. This is the one that I really liked. So if you want this presentation or you just want to know who we are, like my friend from India who came, please follow us, text us on WhatsApp, okay? Make sure that you join us, my friend. I think you're still there, our Indian friend. You can join us on WhatsApp. So yeah, to our friend there, you can join us by okay, okay, you can join us, my friend, and let's do business together. Give me a second. Okay, thank you so much. So thank you, my friend. We will see you guys. Okay. So make sure that you follow, you share, and you tell your friends. Okay. You're now our moderator. So this is the part that I love. The part that I enjoyed the best was in terms of AI. Musk stated that in the real world, Tesla's AI is the head of Meta, Google, and OpenAI. Musk is funny though. Okay, guys, follow us. And to my friend in India, please follow us and keep in touch. Okay, follow the channel, follow us on WhatsApp as well. See you guys.